I can't keep up with this. She got me up my waist. He done put it on my plate. Finding you be at the same, oh. Can't speak up tomorrow. I wake you up for talk. Baby, you're the way, maybe you're the way. It's divine.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video we are featuring UNice Hair. Big thank you to UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into this look. So when I tell you that I've been waiting to get my hands on this one, yeah, I've been waiting and I'm excited. So today I have their Bye Bye Knots. This is a 7x5 lace closure. This is their curly finger coil wig. Now look at the customization. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Look at the curls. When I tell you, they do advertise ready-to-wear wigs, but this one, I have to say, I could literally wear it right after I put it on. I'm talking no hot comb, no lace spray, no lace tape, no nothing. So I'm showing you all the reinforcements, the combs, the elastic band, the silicone grip, all of that good stuff. That is so that your wig stays in place and is secure. And you do have that 7x5 lace parting. This is what the lace looks like up against my skin. Perfect. Perfect HD lace. Now, did I lie? I could literally go right now. So what I am going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of mousse, and I'm going to use that just on the top, just to flatten it out a little bit. I don't want it too flat because it's curly hair, so I definitely want it to have some volume, but I like to put the mousse up top, and I'm going to put a little bit into the lace just to help that melt without actually melting it. So I do show you how to achieve finger coils. I'm going to show you how to do that because the wig does come with the coils, but I need y'all to know, once you wash this baby, them coils is going. Okay, but I am going to show you how to achieve that, so you can definitely do this with any curly wig that you have. And if you purchase this wig, once your coils are washed out, I'm going to show you how you can recoil it with your finger. So I'm going to use a little bit of gel to achieve that, and I'm going to show you that a little later on in the video. But for now, I am just using the mousse. So here is where I move on and I show you how to coil the hair. So I basically take a little bit of gel, and I take a comb, and I take the ends of the hair and I comb it out, add my product, and I literally wrap it around my finger. And while I'm wrapping it around my finger, I make sure that the hair is flat. So you want to wrap it while it's flat. And then I just slide it off my finger, and that is how I achieve my finger coils. So as I stated, you can do this with your natural hair, you can do this with other curly wigs, and you can do this with your wig. So I do want to go in and add some layers to this hair eventually. I think it would look really good. And then I'm going to do the finger coils again. But when I tell you, I'm not taking this wig off. So this is the last wig that I had to review today, and I'm wearing this to the movies. Yes, I'm about to go to the movies, and I'm wearing her because this wig is gorgeous, and I just know that I'm going to get compliments on this wig. So I'm going to have all the details down in the description box if you are interested. But moving along in the video, I do want to show you that there are different ways that you can wear this. This is very full. If I had to say, I'm going to say it's 180 density. I will have the details down below, but this does not give 150 at all because this is a lot of hair. I also show you that you can wear this in a flip over. You can even wear this in a side part because it is a 7x5. But I show you how this looks flipped over. I show you how this looks with a claw clip, just pulling the front back. And I show you what this looks like after adding more coils around the entire wig. I have to give UNice Hair credit. They are definitely creative when it comes to these different wigs and these styles. And this is trending right now. Can you imagine what this is going to look like on colored hair? I just reviewed a reddish brown curly wig from UNice. If I would have finger coiled that, OMG, my goodness. Yeah, I just love it. I love how that little bit of styling changes the whole look. So let me know what you guys think about this wig. Do you agree? Is this a true ready to wear? Because I felt like it was ready to go as soon as I took it out of the package. But I do have to say, the more I played with the hair and the more I fluffed it out, it just started to look even better. But as I stated, all details will be down below. If you have any questions, be sure to drop that down in the comment section. Shout out to UNice for sponsoring another video, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.
Oh, here we go, we running out of time. You better speak now, speak now. Baby, you like that? How we get between us, and I know nobody knows. Really, you like that? Hope nobody sees us. For you.